Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building the ultimate gaming PC for around $1,500, an absolute beast that can handle AAA titles at 1440p and 4K, all while staying future-proof for the next few years. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your setup or building your own PC from scratch, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the parts, let's quickly go over what we're aiming for here. A $1,500 gaming PC that's going to deliver smooth, high frame rate gaming experiences, whether you're into fast-paced shooters or open-world RPGs. We're balancing raw power with price, so each component was carefully selected for the best performance. First up, the heart of the build, the CPU. We're going with the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X. Why? Because this 8-core, 16-thread processor offers incredible performance for gaming and multitasking. It's perfect for handling heavy workloads without bottlenecking your GPU. Next, let's talk about the GPU. For this build, we're going with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. This is a fantastic choice for 1440p and 4K gaming. With 12 GB of GDDR6X memory and DLSS 3.0 support, you'll get high frame rates in even the most demanding games, all while maintaining visual fidelity. Plus, ray tracing is a game changer for those looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. For the motherboard, we're going with the MSI Pro B650M Wi-Fi. It's got great features like Wi-Fi 6E, solid VRM cooling, and a modern design that pairs perfectly with the Ryzen 7 7700X. It's also future-proof with support for PCIe 4.0, so you'll be ready for the next-gen storage and GPUs. Now, on to RAM. For this build, we're going with Corsair Vengeance DDR5 32 GB 6000 MHz. Why DDR5? It's the next step in memory technology and ensures smooth performance in both gaming and productivity tasks. 32 GB is the sweet spot for most gamers, giving you plenty of headroom for multitasking, streaming, or video editing. For storage, we're going with Samsung 980 Pro 1TB NVMe SSD. This SSD is incredibly fast with read speeds of up to 7,000 MB per second, which means quicker load times in games, faster boot ups, and overall snappier system performance. Plus, 1TB is the sweet spot for games and software. And if you need more storage, you can always add another drive later. For power, we're using the Corsair R8 850-watt gold-rated PSU. This is a reliable, efficient, and silent power supply that can easily handle the power requirements, even with some overclocking. 850 watt is more than enough for this build, giving us plenty of headroom for future upgrades. For the case, we chose the NZXT H510. It's sleek, modern, and has plenty of room for all our components. It's also got excellent airflow and cable management features, which makes building and maintaining the system a lot easier. Plus, it has a tempered glass side panel to show off all that RGB goodness. For cooling, we're going with the Corsair iQE H100i Elite Capellix 240mm AIO cooler. This liquid cooler will keep the Ryzen 7 7700X running cool, even under heavy loads. The 240mm radiator gives us a great balance of cooling performance and noise levels, and the RGB lighting adds a nice touch to the build. Alright, now that the build is complete, let's talk performance. With this $1,500 gaming PC, you're going to get high-quality gaming experiences in pretty much any game you throw at it. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, or Apex Legends, you can expect smooth frame rates at 1440p or even 4K with the RTX 4070. Plus, you've got future-proofing with DDR5 and PCIe 4.0 support, so this PC will continue to perform well for years to come. And that's it for today's build. We've got an incredible gaming PC for just $1,500, ready to dominate any game in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome PC builds and tech tips. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.